Madam Deputy Speaker, the Honourable Prime Minister, Honourable Leader of the Opposition, Honourable Members of Cabinet, Honourable Members of Parliament, and viewers who are watching through television broadcast live from their comfort zones. Honourable Madam Deputy Speaker, today I rise to share with this Honourable House the story of a journey of transformation, growth, and unwavering commitment by the Ministry of Youth and Sport in its pursuit of excellence. Before I do that, Madam, allow me to express my deepest gratitude for the exceptional support that made it possible for our Fiji National Rugby League to send our talented young Bulikula girls to the World Cup qualifier in Canada. The journey was undoubtedly challenging, especially given the financial constraints we faced due to a lack of sponsorship. However, it was our government's unwavering determination through the Fiji National Sports Commission that was instrumental in exploring every possible option to ensure the team could participate. Honourable Madam Deputy Speaker, these efforts allowed our girls to shine on the international stage, achieving remarkable victories against Canada with a score of 48-0, and Nigeria with an impressive 62-4. The Fiji Bulikula team has now qualified for the 2026 World Cup in Australia, and we congratulate them for that. In 2024, the Ministry made a bold decision to move beyond business as usual and to embrace a new culture of performance and innovation. We joined the Fiji Business Excellence Awards and the National Convention on Innovation and Quality, marking the beginning of what we proudly call our Pursuit of Excellence journey. Honourable Madam Deputy Speaker, this was more than an administrative step. It was a declaration of intent, a declaration that the Ministry of Youth and Sports is determined to match the passion of our young people and athletes with the same level of excellence and discipline in how we plan, deliver, and measure our work. Our goal was simple, yet ambitious, to become a model ministry that not only serves but inspires, one that leads with data-driven decision-making, embraces innovation, and sets the standard for accountability and service delivery across government. Embracing a culture of excellence. Honourable Madam Deputy Speaker, at the 2024 Fiji Business Excellence Awards night, the former President of the Republic of Fiji, His Excellency Ratu Williame Katunivere, reminded the nation that we live in an era defined by rapid technological change. He noted that advancements such as automation, artificial intelligence, and machine learning are reshaping industries worldwide, and Fiji must be prepared to embrace these opportunities. The Ministry of Youth and Sports fully agrees. We see technology and data not as challenges, but as opportunities to transform how we operate to optimize resources, improve accuracy, and strengthen our impact. In a world where resources are limited, data-driven decisions enable us to focus on what truly matters for the development of our youth and the progress of sports in our nation. Learning from global best practices, Honourable Madam Deputy Speaker, Fiji's leadership in the Asian Productive Organization, APO, as chair for the 2025-2026 term has further inspired our ministry's journey. During the 67th APO governing body meeting, the chair, Fiji's Permanent Secretary for Employment, Productivity and Industrial Relations, stated that, and I quote, "It is not the size, but the ability of a community to come together and find a way forward that defines success," unquote. This principle is central to our ministry's transformation. the Ministry of Youth and Sports has embraced this truth that collective effort, collaboration, and shared purpose are the true drivers of excellence. Investing in people and process. Honourable Madam Deputy Speaker, with the technical guidance of the National Training and Productivity Centre, our staff underwent structured induction and training to participate effectively in the 2025 Fiji Business Excellence Awards and the National Convention on Innovation and Quality. We piloted our first quality control circle, QCC, within the National Youth Band, developing and launching the Ministry's Quality Circles Implementation Handbook, a practical guide for sustaining quality and innovation across all our divisions. At the National Convention, our National Youth Band proudly represented the Ministry and was recognized with a one-star award, a milestone achievement that symbolizes our emerging excellence and commitment to continuous improvement. Honourable Madam Deputy Speaker, the transformation we are witnessing is both cultural and operational. Through the Quality Circles initiative, we have shifted from traditional top-down management to a more inclusive, participative approach. During our 2025 strategic planning session, the National Youth Band demonstrated this change in mindset by developing its own strategic plan and balanced scorecard, aligning its objectives with the Ministry's broader strategy and with Fiji's representation at the World Expo 2027, where their band leader will serve as the pavilion director. This process has nurtured a new way of thinking among our staff, a shift from problem blindness to problem consciousness, from silos to collaboration, and from stagnation to continuous improvement. It is a living example of how a culture of excellence can reshape behavior, build ownership, and inspire creativity. Honourable Madam Deputy Speaker, we also acknowledge that this journey is not without its challenges. True transformation requires patience, resilience, and humility. We continue to nurture our staff, correct mistakes, and refine our processes to ensure compliance, transparency, and accountability. In fact, as we strive for higher levels of excellence, we often uncover more areas that need improvement. This is not failure. It is the very essence of growth. What was once considered good enough becomes the new challenge to conquer. That, Honourable Madam Deputy Speaker, is how excellence matures. Our pursuit of business excellence is therefore not a destination, but a continuous journey, one that evolves as we evolve as a ministry and as a nation. Honourable Madam Deputy Speaker, I wish to sincerely thank the National Training and Productivity Centre, the Fiji National University, and all our development partners who have supported us on this path. I also pay tribute to all Fijians, public servants, business leaders, educators, and community champions who have contributed to building Fiji's national productivity movement. Your dedication to quality and innovation strengthens our collective capacity as a nation. Finally, Honourable Madam Deputy Speaker, I call on every ministry, every organisation, and every citizen. Let us all be champions of excellence and productivity in our respective spheres of influence, whether in government, the private sector, or the community. Let us adopt the mindset that good is never enough when better is possible. A productive Fiji begins with productive people. An excellent nation is built by those who never stop improving. Madam Honourable Deputy Speaker and Honourable Members, I thank you for indulgence and vinakavaleu.